Okay, so I'm gonna show now. I have the neutral connected to the two live ones on the motor of the servo. So what I'm gonna show is how that affects on the metal part that is grounded to the neutral now. It's when it's connected to the system ground. So why I'm saying that? Because there's a difference there, which I'm gonna show right away. Just gonna connect. That's the system ground, the equipment ground here, which comes from the 110 volts ground. This is the local ground to a copper rod in the house here. So it's actually a local ground. And this is the neutral ground. It goes there. So as I saw that before, that has about 58 degrees difference. So let me measure that on the actual metal part of the motor. Right? This is aluminum, doesn't count, but everything metal will transmit it. Okay, let's paint it. But yeah, wherever you have metal contacts, it will go through that because it's all wired, even the heats in here. Alright, so you have this potential difference because of the neutral is from the factory. Yeah, so it can cause some trouble there.